all of you. Loitering about the town square with nothing to do. Now then, before we get underway, all I need to ask, if you could please, everyone, move in and get as close to this rope as you can. Please fill in all those empty spaces in front of you so that we can leave a thoroughfare behind you for the people coming and going. Thank you very much. Woo! Right then, gather ye round, all those of you who are of an adventuring spirit. The time is upon us to be regaled and informed by none other than that world-renowned and notorious scourge of the seven seas, Captain Jack Sparrow himself. Woo! The captain has promised to hold forth and educate in the skills and requirements for pursuing life in the pirate trade. Speaking of pirate trade, you look like the sort of crew that's looking for a good pirate adventure. I know just the thing. It's called a pirate adventure, Treasure of the Seven Seas. There are 5 different quests you can go on if you got the guts, and all you need to do is go through that big archway over there, look for the headquarters. They'll give you a map, send you on your way, and best of all, it won't cost you a thing. Plus, for every treasure that you help Captain Jack find, you will be rewarded with a collectible treasure finder card. Now, before you go running off to do all that, assemble yourselves directly and gather round. It is time for Captain Jack Sparrow's Pirate Tutorial. Woo-woo! Woo! If you wish to learn useful and important skills as can only be taught by Captain Jack Sparrow, then gather round, for his arrival is imminent. Well, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Of course. If he ever gets here, me name is Mac. I have been sent directly by Captain Jack. Mac, he says, go out into the square and gather a crowd for me pirate tutorial. He says, be sure, he says, that the local constabulary ain't around. Say there, you wouldn't happen to be with the authorities, would you? Oh, well, swoo. There's some good in that anyway. Well, here you are, here I am, but the good captain is nowhere to be found. What's there to do?
All you can do is wait.
All right, fine thing. I gather a crowd, and we're waiting on Jack Sparrow.
I do believe there's a captain missing from that.
Oh, well, of course. Captain Jack Sparrow. Woo! Captain Jack Sparrow has arrived. All hands
on deck. Nicely done, Mac. You have done us all right.
Look at that.
In spite of yourself, nicely done. So it's a pirate's life you claim to see. Forgive me, you do not look like the usual sort attracted to the lure of this dark profession, but perhaps I've misjudged you.
Perhaps.
Tell me, do you seek adventure?
The captain asks,
Yeah.
do you seek adventure?
Yeah!
Yes.
Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with?
Say yes.
Yes!
You know this. Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams?
Aye!
Well, it don't come easy, Savvy. So you need to have skill.
Skill.
Takes these. You need to be cunning.
Cunning.
It takes talent.
Talent.
You need patience.
You need to be quiet. I'll be right down here.
Let's just put the lot of you to the test and see if you truly have what it takes. Now, are you ready?
The captain asked, are you ready?
Yeah!
Just helping out, sir.
That's what I want to see. And now looting and plundering may be all well and good, mates, but it is the sailing it takes to get there. That is the hard work. So to begin, let's get you all working on developing some necessary skills.
Right.
Let me see each and every one of you raise the strong right arm in the air.
That's your
All the way up.
starboard side, mates. Come on, put 'em up. Let's
And
see
up.
'em. Up.
And now raise your left arm in the air.
That's your port side. Swabbies. Up with 'em.
There you go. Let's use them both. Arms at every end, like you're raising the sail of a ship.
Like you're raising the
Yes,
main,
Jerry.
you landlubbers. Here we go. Everyone, starboard port, starboard port, starboard port, starboard port,
Use your feet.
starboard port,
Starboard port.
starboard port, starboard port,
Very
starboard
good.
port.
Hey, come back to me. Anyway, I did see some potential over there. Now, during your journey some fine day, you might find yourself on the wrong side of an argument. Say with your captain or even a crewmate.
Or both, based on your experiences, eh, Captain?
Should this occur, based on my experiences, you might find yourself, now how can we put this very delicately?
Marooned in accordance with the pirate code. Of course, Captain. Sir.
Hey, should this occur, and if a ship is passing by, if you wish to save yourself, you need to be attracting some attention, wouldn't you? So let me see all of you on your feet. Stand up, wave your arms back and forth over your head, jump up and down.
Oh, follow my leads, mate. Follow my leads. Say it with me. Save me.
Save me.
Save me.
Save me.
Save me.
Save. I can see the rescue in my mind's eye, doing very well.
Begging your pardon, Captain, but you know, in your honour,
My
the
honour.
crew and I has taken to calling that
What is that, man?
jumping jacks. Jacks, jumping.
Do not. Thank you, Mac. I'm truly flattered. But I doubt that will much be remembered.
Really?
Ladies, what may be remembered, however, is you. You pirate, stand up. Go up those stairs.
Woo, this
Go
way,
there,
matey.
right?
Follow me.
And you go up there. And that scares me.
Over here, mate.
You go up there.
Back in that
He's drunk. He doesn't know what he wants to do. You in the blue, you go up there.
corner. All right, this way, mate. Join the others. Hey, begging your pardon.
Yes, mate.
What about that fellow in the grey?
In the great. Oh, that one.
Yes.
Yes, the one, him. Why him?
He's got a certain gleam in his eye, don't you think?
He's already up here, so why not?
That works. All right, let's have some encouragement for these brave volunteers. Give it up for them.
Now, you look like just the sort I could count on in a street. So pay close attention.
Hey?
I say this because we will now undertake the delicate art of sword play.
Uh-huh. Sword play.
Yes. Very nice. That's great. Stole his lady's present. It's nasty. It's not what... You know, for everyone's safety, mostly mine, we're just going to be using practice cutlasses that I had and Mac make earlier. Now tell me, you itty bitty, not so bitty, can I trust you? Two of you, that's wonderful. Are we at least all friends?
Aye.
Hey, the friendship is a very important thing, isn't it?
Friendship.
But a pirate's best friend is fear.
Fear.
And fear's weapon of choice, of course, is surprise.
What?
Savvy, so when it comes to fighting, we only fight to win. The only rules that matter are what a man can do.
Hey, not cheating, not cheating.
Yeah. And what a man cannot do. For instance, if you...
Thank you.
If you cannot beat the other fellow that you are trying to fight, survival is the only way to win. So you must distract. Hey, what is that?
What is that?
And flee.
Distract. And flee.
Please do not do
Oh,
that.
sorry, that was supposed to be in me head.
Now all of you scoot back into that nook. Scoot that way. And I'll show you what you're doing, yes? 2 strikes, one to the right, one to the left. Thrust to Mac's belly, point your finger past her and say, look,
What?
it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Wow.
And you flee. Running away to this corner right here. Simple. Any questions? and keep it to yourself. And as they make their great escape, running away, I expect each and every one of you to scream, "Hoorah!" in the top of your lungs. Who did that on 3? 1, 2, 3. Music to my ears. Now, you, sir. Show all these scallywags how it's done. Yes. Sword up. Hit to the right. The left. Thrust to the belly. Point your finger. Say, "Look!
What?
It's Blackbeard's daughter."
Wow.
Run away!
There.
Hurrah!
There you go.
Got away from you. Yes, now you. Hey, you scare me. You wait there. Sword up. Hit to the right. Yes, the left. Poke him in the belly. Point your finger. Say, "Look!
What?
It's Blackbeard's daughter."
Where?
Run.
Over there?
Hey.
Hey, way too.
Yes, you. Are you ready? I am not. You wait right there. Sword up. Hit to the right. The left. Thrust to the belly. Point your finger. Look!
What?
It's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
Don't run that way. Hurrah!
Hey, I fell for that too.
You again. Yeah. And let me ask you something. Do you think you can take on Matt? Oh, you missed your confidence. What do you think? Can he take on Matt?
Yeah.
Hey, you see, but the problem is you're not going to be fighting Matt. What? No. You see, you, sir, will be fighting me, the captain.
All right, matey. You're fighting the captain this
He doesn't
time.
look happy.
Don't tense up. Are you ready? Good, here we go. Strike right.
Your arms are not that long.
Left. Poke him in the belly.
That's not the belly.
Point your finger.
Ah!
Daughter. Blackbeard's daughter. That's what you say. Good job.
That kind of slurred out. Now, all of you, come this way.
Here we
Come
go.
back to
Straight
me.
line next to the captain. All the way
Okay.
over.
Stand next to each
Good
other.
job, crew.
Yeah, you gotta face that way. Yeah. How much have you had to drink? Yeah, that's what I thought. Sword up! And snarl. Arr!
Snarl it, Mom. Arr.
How about one more round of applause for these excellent swordsmen, Matt? Put these up.
Oh, aye, sir. I'll take your swords, crew.
Yes,
Good
now
job,
all of you come with me. Come this
Nicely
way.
done. Follow the captain.
Stand over here,
That way.
side by side. No, this way. You are absolutely smashed. Oh, that's where the rum went. Who else wants to join my crew? Raise your hand.
Everybody have one.
You go stand by them.
Well, we got
You go stand by them. You up there. Go that way. Shove that. Are you taking a nap? Or are you laying down? Go up there. You up the stairs. Hey, where you? In the Hawaiian thing, that's right. You. That way. Take your brother. Yeah, go with brother. I didn't know they made them that small. You go that way. Lazy, go that way. You go up the stairs. You up the stairs.
right here.
Go that way. Nothing says pirate like me. You and you up that way. Where'd she go? She's so happy to be up there. Now all of you. Are you ready to join my crew? Well, if you should seek a life of adventure, everyone scream yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
I can't hear you screaming yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
I do believe they're worthy. That one scares me. Max, swear them to the pledge.
Aye, Captain. Everyone, hold on to your papers in your starboard hand. Everyone turn and face the captain. Now signify your pledge to the captain by saying aye on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Aye!
Everybody out here. 1, 2, 3.
Aye!
Are you ready?
Aye!
Yeah, what happened to I? Do you pledge to abide by the pirate's code?
Aye.
And do you pledge to take only your fair share of spoils acquired during our enterprise?
Aye!
And if someone was to insult your captain, you would spit in his.
Aye.
Sorry, sir. Do you pledge to follow every command of the captain?
Aye.
Even when placed
There he
in
goes.
mortal danger? Or facing certain death?
They didn't say anything.
Really trickling off here. Everyone turn and
Thanks,
face
sir.
the
Right.
crowd.
Already.
I hereby decree that you have been officially designated as future crew members in the service of Captain Jack Sparrow. 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hip
Hooray!
hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Yes, big cheer around for them. Now, all of you, make your way down the stairs.
This way.
Yes, watch out for that one.
Use the stairs.
Use the stairs. Return to your families.
Off with you.
And if you cannot find your families, just find better families. Yes? And Mac, I think we should celebrate with a song.
Right, sir.
Now you skippers all know the chorus of the song, so sing along with that. Ho,
A pirate's life for me.
a pirate's life for me. We pillage and plunder we're all drink up me hearty yo-ho. We kidnap and ravage and joke about heat. Drink up me hearty yo-ho. Yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Sing yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. We extort, we bivouac, we filter, we sack. Drink up me hearty yo-ho. Me rolling in beds and ain't even hijack. Drink up me hearty yo-ho.
This side. Yo-ho, yo-ho.
On my side, screaming,
Ho, 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 a pirate's life for me.
we're rascals, the scabbers, the villains, and I drink up me hearty yo-ho.
We're devils and black sheep.
We're really bad eggs, drink up me hearty yo-ho. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life
for me.
Big finish, yo-ho.
Yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Woo! That was beautiful, sir.
A choir of angels.
Aye, you know, Captain, I think any crew that can sing this well can definitely be trusted, even with the knowledge that there's a king's ransom just waiting for 'em as a price on your head.
You said price.
King's ransom.
My head.
Huge amount.
You just told the whole lot of them that.
I would never mention that in public.
Do not do that. No, it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Wow.
She fell for it on the
Wow,
wash.
behind that bush. I don't see her, Captain Sparrow. Are you sure? Captain Sparrow? No! How about a big hand for Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial?
Woo!
How about a big hand for me?
Yeah!
Oh, well, I seem to have misplaced the captain again. Eggy, quite dangerous for all of us. So, I tell you what, everyone, the captain will be sending out a signal when he's ready to place you all in service. But until that time, remember, mum's the word, eh? Oh, yes, and keep your powder dry. Captain Sparrow, goodbye. Don't leave without me, sir. I'm not a strong swimmer.